What's the best way to manage my upcoming events? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with an invitee created in Calendly, and then taking that information, we'll create a new record in Airtable. Alright, let's build a workflow! So we're going to start here, as always, at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Calendly to Airtable. And I'm going to select my trigger by clicking inside the trigger box. And the app is going to be Calendly. And my event is going to be invitee created. Make sure I'm connected to Calendly. And then we will test this trigger. And we found an invitee. So we have the information we need in order to set up this workflow. So we'll scroll to the bottom, click continue, and then for our action step, we're going to select Airtable as our app, and the action is going to be create record. And we'll make sure we're connected to Airtable. The base within Airtable is my workload testing base, and the specific table I want to update is going to be my events table. And then we're going to import information from our trigger to fill out these fields. So in this instance, the name is not going to be the name of the event, but it's going to be the name of the person who I'm scheduling an interview with. So Squeeze Lehigh. For the notes, I'm going to put their email address. For the location, I'm going to put their phone number because this is a phone interview. It's actually listed here in the response from Calendly as the location. And the date and time will be the start time of that interview. And then we'll click continue, and we will test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So we can click continue. We can peek over at our Airtable, and you can see that Squeeze Lehigh was just added in here with the email, the phone number, and then it converts the date and time to this easy to understand format. So everything looks good with the way our workflow is working. So I can come back over to the workload editor and check to make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes of my workflow. And then I can turn on my workflow to activate it. And now every time there's a new invitee created in Calendly, it will automatically create a record in Airtable. That's how you can use Workload to integrate Calendly and Airtable. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with a suggestion for other apps that you want to see integrated, or if you have any questions. You also should like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content for Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.